Mamema wakwaba emfa umbra GCN page so mesrel subscribe to my channel found some ya bell ne so ube ya notification any ano news e de betu bia obenye bieti anase obenye bia hwe e wo GCN page ha midin e de adwoa searching ase no ofofo e no mo e kase na den sem na ase no ofofo e ka mo nsem mo kenya ne se judge na odi asem e de eti honorable kwesi se mana onye MP fi ene ko onye MP bio no sa judge no on reverse nonsense review. He should come again because he or she should come again because I say no for say they don't think far. They don't think madness. Adenti NSS honorable crazy member no MPB because honorable crazy abroad standing as member of parliament the man as no for no. Hey, papa ni ye me ye nitri me ye impuntuduma I start eba inti I say no for say omode. Say court is almost sansun to abani biwa. One no ni problem bia. Na he party omudi ni begine bia party no NDC chine wasi nipa omudi ni begine bia NDC chine wasi ne so no se nipa ombeto ama no ombeto aba na ama no kra se ya honorable kwesi no beba anase nipa fofo no beba ombeto aba no de ama no se nipa ni gina as a member of parliament de ma NDC enko ade because MPP eba power onboa omo and afenso honorable kwesi no chese ni ye miye oye ni papa o standing as MP no enche bia nso mpuntu dwuma papa no eye no emra emma kwan se mutu meka se ma no onye MP na sa judge na sem no kan no de wawie papa de ama ye honorable kwesi ndi ase no ofofo se omo enti ase ndi judge ko no onsan so embra bio na se ena omo de etudwa
papa yi ba mpuntu dwuma wo ye asamle ho omugu no omu sika die nko ya di samo so mfa mayan dwuma omu fa anya ndwuma no omu no sa papa na ba ne hwe mu omu to ada ho enti no omu fa kwa bi so
na wo ho no
me say dia me samo no say dia me si amete no mani abene pa me wo hospital no bi frɛ me bo mama ne say dia asie no na say dia me hu asamo no yes re nyame say sampa say ba election e be ba so dia ye wurajo kwesi mo pa abada ma won pa abada bibiara da wonyina pinti na ye won no ana nyame ayi no say wo mebo asen ma asen no for mine enti kwan bia so no obesa ba enti so wo kwan se wo san ba dia ye gina ho ye atwe no se wo mmra emebe gina enti san so a wo bibiara ndisifo be yi no se wo megina ma MP no o megina MP ema asen no to hade me say so wo ye ba fan yo se bia manim o so what say yo NDC chira no kwa da no so no de wo wini biem double me say be ya double kwa chen jo kwesen bia no na so wo no aso sa gina e ho do obe hu say yes double first the percentage na wonya ya no ebe buka faso enipa de hisam ebe twatro makasie ye chenso na nipa nyina hu say sa wuti wana wo dwea papa emu obi na bi so aba so ba won pa aba no wonyina pintin na ya twa no nyame na ayi no eti nyame ayi no so de he de obro samba ye bia ne samba gine ne samba gine eti mo pa aba no wasori nyina na se awira ho samato ya besenwie e wa ha pa eti yesre nyame won kan ho na won sori a mo man ho kitim no me ye na dwuma sade se na ne nyina mu no ye de anuanya
ya pay ye yu ade a waye enti papa ne de wonu a ne pa me mo bi bia do kwesi na ne pa nya party sam eyo asem asem asibreku ye die mpuntu enti na ye de ye ni abre enti ye na me se na me tira nsuo po me no bi enti sa wo ma nhya na de kwesi na kasa amade ene do kwesi na no be sa abade ato abama no ye ni obi a do kwesi na sanse obebo asem man kwaso enti ene ye ni abre
ene bia yi ni ye me ma me ye kobo ni na yo na so na mti se ye si do pani do kwesi prempre yi no court say sebia won fa ni kuma die ntu so wo bra wonye se ekopa se wonye gan so that asem ni asem bia mi se electoral commission na ono no ankasa na ono electoral commission enti wan hwe do kwesi nkata mu kra so that enti se mi dia mi kan se atentene ni wo hode a se bi mpanimfo mfo wo na nya den esi from wo nya den wo hwe nsem efise me dwunu ho a me nya den me ntia se papa so if you say electoral commission near nature say NDC for an Ghana for Casse, Nanaku for the crown, one uni about one, then and says Sasubo, St. Auremudia, I was saying Nanaku for I want the electoral commission, any question, so there's a electoral commission you're free. I want some be home, that's 1 year Musan Hedia, and then that's a Nanaku for Sabia, Nakonya now, what is one. Sabi Mukase, Sabi, why electoral commission, one more than 3 years. Make a planning point here. Or Sabah, my dear American said, Sabi, and that's a no crack, no crack. And the American said, Judge in Ankasa will go as some Sabi, one corner cheat. Now, Sabi, woman control. Now, once Wakasa, we are crana, Sabi, what think that you are good for ma, what to me at them. Okazo, the American, a piano man, is super. Judge in Ankasa, I am saying any super. Now, Mrs. Susan, and if I be Sassia, and a beer, Mamma is Kabi, or Mamma is Kabi, Sanami, Adam Diaby or Adam Diaby or Mantis Kabi was smashed. Maybe the American, the Sabio, the American, Abusu, Nasa Yampo, Nasa Musmani, Pabini, Bekumi Crampa, and the American said, Ghana for your infant to Omutrim, Nadia. I don't know, that you bear as soon as see, Yadi Yamino, Yadbell, and Emre, Yaninkaso. Yamikan said, Ghana for any judges, and one more can be a Yamikan said, I see Brekuna Mimi, I see off, I see Breku, he didn't was a Balmaco Pranipon. Yamikan said, Yadi Yo Opino, Yabatu Yabi, no one must have Prapra, American said, Emre, Yaninkaso. No one the a better. Yemom eka se emri eninka so yedi bi ye kwame nkromano ubusam ya tu ba bia machirem so de ase na enye papa esa de na Ghana sabi o ye kase obi a won de ade ne fa ahudie Ghana ha obi a won ne de ade ye tietie fa ahudie so e wo kwa bi so asin brekufuo ani asin nofu nyina no ye ni abre papa na bo so obi asin animre ade me kan se em se enye man ko ye enebia yi ni ye me ma me ye kobo ni na
nipa no betia no na dachi a obi fiso no onhwe ni life bi ko nipa ni a obetwa ne ne no ochina obetwa asemo a ken e kan ye se oyo benya sa fo abangbagbe ni nya sa watna parliament aboye krono a benefit wo oman Ghana no a benefit ya nka enye asemo a ye refer to president na president committee for na kata omo ne kwan ni menya na ka ken ekita makoma ni you go and tell them say because they can't do nothing. Ghana doesn't belong to them. Who is the privilege committee? That stupid people say we come more bra or no nobody join us then privilege committee boyso maybe you can say abangbabe so onimnyansa obi ababe report saki ni aben se on fu be hwehwemu wo beka so mum yentrase na yehwehwemu na yense the right thing to do. You can't just take a because you are doing NDC job, John Mahama job. That's what you want to do. You are doing all this in favor of John Mahama. Yes, because of NDC, because they are in the opposition. So you have to do something about it. So you have to answer any stupid call that they call. Come on, man. Get sense. Get sense. Ghana doesn't belong to you. You benefit from Ghana. You benefit from the Ghana Parliament. Ghana Parliament, you have benefit a lot from Ghana Parliament. Mono mu hobi ma me bre. Mu hobi ma me yejuma. Mu hobi ye hu company bi ana mu yemu ejuma. A bu disu enyansa. E ye Parliament isu ku je to abra life a o lady. Or start ya you see deputy minister, from deputy minister to whatever is going. If this person doesn't struggle, he doesn't go under command. And when you see Ghana also you treat him. When you focus your top back ma FBI now she say the whole someone can be piaba. Canada hakra me and that here na all year how much did he have? Just give it and see. Maybe you need the speaker fee. In investment, why you need how many years have been in Parliament?